Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the raining season. Parents, please take care of your children. So the raining season is here, and this is a gentle reminder to all parents to please take extra care of your children. Make sure they are dressed warmly when it is cold. Avoid letting them play in dirty flood water, and keep them away from open gutters and fast moving water. Ensure they drink clean water. Eat healthy meals, and seek medical attention if they become sick. A little extra care during raining season can protect our children from illness and accidents. Let's all do our parts to keep our children safe, healthy, and happy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful message. See you in my next video. Thank you.